Okay, y'all, so it is time to level up when it comes to t-shirt mock-ups for our products. So you're trying to find out how can your t-shirt mock-ups look more realistic, have more personality, and help you sell your product. But you don't want to really front the cost of having a photo shoot, a photographer, a model, and all that good stuff that just costs a little bit more money right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I found a way to make my mock-ups more realistic without having them to look so generic. Now, before I get started, this is no shame, no bashing, or any of that to Placeit, because Placeit is where I got started, and Placeit is actually a place where a lot of people got started when it came to making their mock-ups. People really still use them today too, and are still super successful. However, if you're someone who still wants to add that extra sauce to their t-shirt business, then I highly recommend that you start looking for your mock-ups on Etsy. I'm going to switch my screen to show you guys what I mean when it comes to finding realistic mock-ups on Etsy. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm in Etsy and I'm just typing in black woman mock-up. I can type mock-up. Okay, so look at this great list of black women mock-ups. Like, you guys, they give you sweatshirts, you get different types of backgrounds and things like that. So like I said, I'm not bashing Placeit, but Placeit may not always be the place that gives you the type of model you have in mind, okay? So this is what I did, and I actually think I have, so here's one of the mock-up models that I bought by Carter's Creole. Highly recommend this store as well. If you're browsing, trying to figure out how to get realistic looking mock-ups, so check them out. But here's the same girl in Canva, and as you guys can see, this is all that I did. My design is a PNG background, so I'm going to recreate that real quick for you guys up here. But I just went ahead and selected her, set the entire image as a background, and I'm just playing around just to see more of her hair and things like that. And then I go to my t-shirt design, and this is where I just play around with it. Like, I just make sure I just cut off the excess space. I'm just like that, and I just place it where I feel like it would be realistic and what matches like the actual design on my shirt, my physical shirt, right? So you got to make sure it matches. And yep, that looks good to me. So this is what I did, and I could change it later, but essentially it's just making sure that your design is a PNG file so I can put that anywhere there's no background there, and then your model looks realistic as if you took this and you were there when she took this picture. And so just to show you guys what it looks like in my website, here it is on the website. I mean, this is exactly what I had in mind, and I didn't have to worry about buying and paying for things out of pocket, and I saved a lot of money just from going to Etsy. All right, good people, so that is it. That is how you find realistic mock-ups that's going to fit your audience persona. It's going to help your audience really feel the t-shirt or imagine themselves in it, which is what you want all the time. Etsy is such a great platform for a lot of things. Now it's becoming really, really helpful for small business t-shirt owners like myself and for you. So that wraps up today's video, y'all. I want to find some realistic mock-ups for your t-shirt business. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and a comment. Thank you guys so much for helping me grow my channel. It's lit here. But as always, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first, and I'll be back in my next video. Bye, y'all.